The Beurre Blanc is a classical French sauce that uses the combination of proper temperature and cold butter to emulsify into a rich acidic sauce. The acid usually comes from equal parts white wine vinegar and white wine, with some chefs adding a squeeze of lemon juice at the very end. The Beurre Blanc is commonly served with seafood such as scallops, lobster, or halibut, but it's also great with roasted vegetables such as asparagus and even pairs well over poached eggs. The sauce is really quite simple, but the trick is to ensure your butter doesn't get too hot, as the sauce can split and the liquid from the vinegar and white wine can separate from the melted butter. Now that you know the basics, let's dive right in and make this French classic. So we're going to begin by adding some sliced shallots to a sauté pan, along with 1/4 of a cup of white wine vinegar and 1/4 of a cup of white wine. I'll then bring this to a simmer to burn off the alcohol in the wine and pungency within the vinegar. And we'll reduce this until au sec. We'll turn the heat off and then whisk in our butter. Now you'll want to add the butter gradually, and with this recipe, I'm using roughly 1 cup in total. I'll season with salt and continue to whisk. I basically want the sauce to be thick, emulsified, and creamy. I'll taste for seasoning, and this deserves a little more butter. Now we'll perform the back of the spoon test to see if it has a nappe consistency, and this is perfect. I'll place into a sieve over top a deli container. And this can be used right away, usually kept in a warm place when plating. Now, even though it might look super simple, the Beurre Blanc can wreak havoc on your stress levels if your temperature isn't correct. You'll find yourself with a split sauce, which won't be pleasant to look at or taste. However, if you do, simply add a splash of ice cold water along with more butter and continue to whisk. The cold water should seize the melted fat and help to re-emulsify it back in with the new addition of cold butter. It's best to use this sauce right away, as it will slowly separate once placed in the fridge. However, one way around this is to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum, which will help to stabilize it indefinitely. In our final lesson regarding emulsions, we're going to dive into a Middle Eastern sauce that uses the reverse emulsion technique, which is when you add a liquid to a fat rather than what we've been doing, which is adding fat to a liquid. I'll see you there.